How's it going, everybody? It is May 17th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. I'll just do a quick sales update because I've hit a few points in the month where it's kind of getting exciting because I'm beating out kind of like previous numbers. And I'll show you guys in a bit, but let's go into these US sales numbers right away. So, right now I'm sitting at 141 for the first 16 days. I'm recording this first thing on the 17th. As you can see, only one sale has come in. It's first thing in the morning, but there was a bit of a drop off yesterday. Going from tens, nines, eights, and then yesterday I hit that five, which was kind of like if we were talking maybe 2 months ago, this would have been normal, but it, as you can see, like for the last couple of weeks, it's been going fairly well with my new average being around 10. So the five was a bit surprising. Even though, five is surprising, it's not a big deal because, like I said, everything is going great. So far, I've had $2,572.53 in sales for the total amount in royalties of 448.58. So about $500 just in the US market halfway through the month. So that in itself for me is great because I'm on track to hit about $1,000 in royalties just in the US market, and then everything else will be kind of like a bonus. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. 200 total sales so far. So that to me is just incredible. The fact that I'm sitting, like I said, on the 16th or the 17th here recording this and I already have 200 sales is great, because if we were to compare, the first 16 days of last month, numbers are very, very different. And I'm actually kind of curious. Let's see what happened in March, because I remember the last couple of months were definitely a struggle, but last month, so March was actually pretty solid around this time, but right now May, I'm even way ahead of March, which is amazing. So the way I look at it, I mentioned a couple of weeks ago that I might uh, hit or get close to 400 total sales this month, which is actually more true now than it was, let's say, 2 weeks ago. But it's starting to pick up that momentum. The momentum is actually staying. Like I said, this is the biggest drop off that I've seen so far this month, and that's not so bad. We'll see how today turns out. But again, a couple bad days are never a concern, as long as it doesn't turn into a whole week or 2 weeks of fives and ones. So far, things are looking great. I can't believe that even this week I'm going to beat, most likely, hopefully, right? I don't want to be too I don't want to get too cocky, get too optimistic, but it looks like, over the next couple days, let's say 7 days at least, I'm going to beat my previous month's total numbers for the US, which was 160. And look at this, $477 in royalties total for the last month, which is just $30 more than where I'm sitting at today. So that to me is incredible. So that's all I wanted to update you guys with because of this number, 200, right? If I get to 300 fairly soon, I'm going to show you guys. But right now, things are going great. Germany, Italy, and Japan hitting those strong double digits. I hope this cracks 20 pretty soon. And then finally, there's a bit of a bounce back in my US sales. So things are looking good. For those of you asking me, I am not running any ads. I know I say that fairly often. So all of these are organic sales. And, I don't know where we're going to go from here. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon.